Hi, I'm going to be doing a Knitcrate yarn giveaway, and for this giveaway I just ask that you are a subscriber and that you comment down below something crochet related perhaps, and I'll pick a winner in about 2 weeks and I'll post it on my video. So this, I'm sure everybody's mostly familiar with, is Knitcrate, and in this Knitcrate you get 2 skeins of yarn. This is sponsored by me through them, and it's $24.95 per month, and you get a booklet. And so I'm doing that giveaway. This is the book, and there's many different types of patterns in here, which are crochet and knitting. And here are the pictures. And this one is a knit pattern. It's really pretty. It looks like it says hat and cowl. And this one is a seashell, and it's crochet. That one is really pretty. I really love the color on it. And there's socks in here, which are knit. And crochet. Okay, so that is the book, and it comes with it with the giveaway. Very pretty, like orange red color. And this is 100% baby alpaca, and it's dogwood berry. The giveaway on this yarn. Remember this one? Very pretty. Well, the winner did not claim their yarn. So what I'm going to do is, from the comments down below, I'll have to pick a new winner for this one too. So comment down below and I'm picking 2 winners. And also, somebody else had an idea that if you have your email down below, it's easier for me to contact you through an email. And you can do it that way. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, please comment down below, and I'll pick a winner in a couple weeks. And in the description I'll place the date in there, and then you can come back, or I can contact you if you put your email down below, if you're okay with revealing your email. Cool. Okay, so thank you for watching.